First, more breaking news from the Target 12 investigators.
State investigators have confirmed there was an active marijuana production operation in the industrial building in Providence that burned to the ground last week in a massive 5-alarm fire.
Let's get right to Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau live in the newsroom now with the details you'll see only on 12.
We found out various pieces of equipment that investigators say they believe were used to cook marijuana into something called butane hash oil, or BHO, were found in the ashes. Among those items, 9 butane tanks, tubes partially filled with marijuana, and half-burned marijuana on the ground of the Kinsley Avenue building. Investigators now believe the 5-alarm fire started in a room at one end of the building, and they say inside that room they found the remnants of a drug operation. After lifting the debris out of the way last week, Providence State and ATF investigators dug through the ashes and found what is described as a marijuana cooking drug lab. State Fire Marshal Jack Chartier tells Target 12 investigators suspect someone was using butane to draw the THC out of marijuana to produce a substance called butane hash oil, or BHO. Chartier points out BHO operations have started several fires across the country, but he emphasizes investigators have not determined what started this fire on Kinsley. They are convinced the blaze that gutted this 87,000 square foot building did start in the same room where the BHO cooking apparatus was operating. Fire Marshal Chartier also tells us, quote, this was not a marijuana growing operation, but a marijuana burning operation. And he also tells us now the U.S. Attorney's Office and the State Attorney General's Office are involved in this investigation. In the newsroom, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.